What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Don't worry about the traction light. The traction light actually is because of a shop that I took it to. It's called Kim's Auto. It's really good. It's a good shop. They were not 100% sure what was leaking, so they wanted me to take the car to Lexus, which I just came from right now. I came from a Lexus dealership, and we all kind of thought it was the front axle seal, and I thought the same thing too. Kim's Auto thought the same thing too, but they just wanted to make sure that I take it to Lexus. That way they can verify that, and it is actually indeed the front right axle seal, so that's what's leaking. Now the problem with this is Kim's Autos, they want to charge me 10 hours for the job, because it's a big job, about $2,000 and some change. Now when it comes to Lexus, they want to charge me $4,000 for it, 18 hours for the whole thing. So it's kind of insane though. So I'm taking the car back to Kim's Auto right now, and hopefully they can get on it soon and work on it soon and get my car back. So I've been driving the Subaru every day now though, which kind of sucks. It's cool, it's fun, but driving that car, that's a car you want to drive on weekends or whatever and whatnot. So I don't want to be driving it every day. So but I head back to Kim's Auto, see what they say. All right. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, sure. I'll hold it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. So it's leaking from the front left axle seal. That's what it is. Yep.
They do show that you're leaking a little bit, but not
just
much.
A little bit, no
Sure,
much.
just a wet. You know what I'm saying? And
right.
Main problem.
All right, guys. So it's crazy though. Lexus did not diagnose the car well though. They said it's the front right axle seal, but it's actually the front left axle seal. As you guys can see, there goes the car. I'm leaving it here. Hope to get it done. I'm not gonna give up on this car, because the car still drives really good. It's in great condition, so there's no need to forget about it though. So I'm gonna get it fixed. So yeah, but it's messed up. The Lexus diagnosed the issue being the front right axle seal when it's actually the front left axle seal though. So I'm not gonna have the car for a while though, so I'll probably get a rental. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So I have the car on right now, so fortunately I'm not able to show with the flashlight, but they did fix the leak. What I did is I just went ahead and cleaned the whatever oil that was left in there, the residues for it. Just went ahead and put a blade clean on it and cleaned it, so now that's the reason why it looks so shiny, but it hasn't been leaking at all. So yeah, it looks good. What's up, guys? I'm heading to New Jersey. I know I had made another video going to New Jersey earlier this year. So they fixed the axle seal leak that I had on the driver's side, and they also fixed another one on the passenger side as well. So the car should not, you can't tell what this guy is going, man. So right now we're just passing Baltimore, Maryland. So the only issue we have right now with the car currently is the right rear wheel bearing. So that one is being replaced. I actually did order it. I ordered it from Rock Auto, so it's in the trunk. So more than likely on my way back from New Jersey, I'll just drop the car off at the shop so they can go ahead and replace it tomorrow. And I think I should be good as far as this car though. And it's funny, I was just thinking about it. Just
in 1 mile, use the left 2 lanes to stay to the left to bore 3 Ford McHenry Tunnel.
I was just thinking about it not too long ago though, and about 3 months ago then, that I haven't spent any money on this car in a while, and boom, all that stuff happened. So we spent about $2,000 getting the axle seal replaced at a shop. Lexus was going to charge me $4,600, which is ridiculous, and they were going to charge me $2,500 for the bearing. This shop is going to charge me $450 for the bearing, and as far as for the axle seal, everything was $2,100, including alignment. So gets to show you can save money in other places, especially if you can't do stuff by yourself. Alright, guys, so far the drive has been good, no issues at all. Yes, the noise is still back there on the rear. It's going like woo 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 woo. Normally at 40 to 45 miles per hour, then at 80 you can hear it a lot more. So but that doesn't bother me though. So like I said, I have the wheel bearing and hub inside the trunk, so I might drop it off today, if not today, tomorrow. I think once that noise is gone, I'll be happy with the car. Otherwise, good car, you know. It's still better than making car payments, in my own opinion. So yep, heading to New Jersey. I'm like 15 minutes away from the place I'm supposed to be at. So right, see you guys shortly. What's up guys, just want to give you a quick update about the car. So as you guys saw in the video, we had the front driver's axle seal issue where it was leaking. Lexus quoted me $4,600 to replace it. Went to a local shop that I normally go to though, Kim's Auto in Gaithersburg, Maryland. Kim's Auto Air Park, right? And they did everything for $2,100. That's including alignment and everything that went with it. So everything went well. Obviously what you pay is what you pay. It is making a little bit of noise issue here, but it sounds like plastic that's loose. I did find a lot of the engine cover loose anyways though, so I'm thinking it's probably you know, plastic that's underneath that's actually also loose too as well though. So but I'm not gonna worry too much about it though. It drives good, no issues at all. They also replaced the bearing. Lexus was quoting me about I forgot, yeah, Lexus was quoting me $2,000 and some change to replace the passenger rear bearing. So Kim's Auto did it for $450 and everything was good though. So the car is good right now, it's driving fine. Just washed it. This weekend we were moving out, so I have a whole bunch of stuff inside this car. This car is a good hauler. I put a lot of stuff in the back seat and the back and the trunk. Even though it doesn't have the greatest space, I was able to move a lot of stuff. Obviously I had some movers help me with the rest of the stuff though, but yeah, this car's doing really good though. Like I said, I almost gave up on it when Lexus gave me all that, when they quoted me for $4,600 and everything, because the whole thing was about to be $7,000, and I don't even think this car is worth that much. If anything, it's probably worth that $7,000, right? Yes, the paint may look good and everything like that, but I just clocked in 200,000 miles too though. So on the journey of 500,000 miles, I'm getting there. So we have 200,000 miles on it and everything is good though. So the next appointment will be an oil change, probably the next month or so. The new job I'm in right now, I'm gonna start traveling a little bit farther or driving every day for a lot of miles. So, and what I was told is the road that goes to the place I'm going is very dirty. So this guy's looking pristine right now, but starting next week on Wednesday, it's gonna be just dirty car though. So it sucks. I like my car clean, but this is the only daily I have. I have the Subaru, but obviously a Subaru, I will never put it through this task. I would love to have them both pristine and clean. I think what I'll do is I just save up some money too though in the future and buy another car like a 4Runner or, you know, an SUV or like an old pickup that I could be driving around though. I think that will help a lot though. And I got some other news in my life that are pretty much life-changing, so I'll have to really save up on money now though, because things are about to be quite different for me though. So yeah, I'm not gonna say much. That's what's going on though. Yeah, but that's the update about the car. Car is good. It stayed outside in the sun all day today though. Just that I just moved it right now though, to pick up the rest of the stuff in the garage. So anyways, thanks guys for subscribing and watching the channel. You know, again, I hope to always bring new videos and all, but for now this is all I got. And I'm gonna just do like a little POV driving the car back home. So all right, so this is just a little POV drive back home. Yep, and maybe you guys might hear that noise though, but it sounds like plastic, like loose plastic. If not, something is loose. I just don't have the time to take it back again, because every time I take it, then I have to find someone to drop me off or take a Uber, which kind of sucks. So yep, I got the AC blasting today. Right now is 90. It shows 90, but it's actually higher than that. I think it's 94 with very high humidity. So all right, yeah, the car still drives good. Yeah, another reason I decided to change the bearing is because it was just getting too noisy on the rear. It's too much of a noise that was going on. So yeah, but now we're good. We're looking good. So the place that I moved in, I used to live there actually though. So it's like I took some steps back. There's a guy with the Audi R8, the sports car. I think that's what it is, right? Audi R8. He was parking He was parking the car outside, but I believe he just got the garage, so now he's parked inside. I'm hoping to get the garage again too though, because I hate to, I have a lot of stuff, I have a lot of extra stuff, but also the Subaru now is outside and it's still shiny because it's been in the garage for the last 7 months. So I don't want to get messed up outside. It just costs a lot to keep up with these cars though, especially the fact that they're old cars. If it was a new car, obviously I wouldn't even worry about it though. The paint would be brand new, and a lot of this stuff. So all right, enjoy the POV. Yes sir. Whoever is in front of me is like they're sleeping right now, man. They're driving way too slow for my liking. So, right. As you can tell, the car is still quiet. Very quiet car. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off the video though. Again, thanks for subscribing and watching the channels. You guys, not the channel, and you guys have a blessed one. Talk to you later. Bye.